when you're looking at a mysterious black orb that has been discovered in the middle of a field by some goat farmers that really were taken by surprise by this whole object, called in the guard. They came in, they quarantined the whole area, not sure what this thing was, but many saying that it has a striking resemblance to a Star Wars torture device called the ITO Interrogator. Now, it's definitely not that, but it definitely seems like it fell from space. Here's another shot, and you can see the resemblance that they were trying to say that it looked like this, but it's not known what this object is, and they weren't sure if there was going to be radiation coming off this thing or what, so they came in, they brought all the tools and equipment, and they were like, well, there's no radiation coming off of it. It doesn't have any labeling. There's nothing specific on it. Any serial numbers. Very weird looking. And it looks like it has some kind of composite overwrapping over top of some kind of pressure vessel, is how they're explaining it. They say possibly space junk, but they're not sure what kind of space junk. What's interesting when things like this happen is there are super secret missions. They go down all the time. There's satellites that go up there that fail, rockets that blow up. There's other things up there that they're fighting back and forth. Stuff gets taken out. Interesting to find out exactly what this is, if they ever even release that, because this really could hold some unique technology on the inside. You never know what you're dealing with until you know what you're dealing with. Or it just could be simply some garbage. One of the two. But you're not going to know until they crack into this thing. You can see they loaded it up into the back of this vehicle and took it off for more testing. But an object that size coming down and hitting the earth, it just goes to show that not everything burns up in the atmosphere. And you guys might remember the story I recently did in regards to this mystery object that they suspected as being space debris was supposed to come in and land in the Indian Ocean. Is this a part of that? It's a good question. The timing is there. And we haven't seen any debris or any evidence of that mystery object landing anywhere else. Any fireballs, anything like they said people would see. No stories of that whatsoever. But yet, this massive mystery object sitting in this field found by goat farmers can't be explained at this point. So like I said, you never know what you're dealing with in these instances, what it came from, what kind of technology it could be on the inside. I'm sure somebody knows by now, or knows a little something more at least. I'll leave a link. I'll keep you guys posted with more info as I come across it. But like I said, the timing of that mysterious object that was supposed to be crashing down to Earth, and now this, makes me wonder if they're connected in any way whatsoever. That other object was said to be hollow, cylindrical, and larger than this. This would had to have been a piece of it, if that was the case. Or something totally different. It's been Dabu7.